Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio. Welcome to this new series of daily videos to level up your power moves. I will upload one video per day from December 1st until December 24th. In each video I'm gonna show you some exercises or a little combo to improve your power move. We're gonna start easy in the first episodes so you can still follow them if you are a beginner as well, and we are gonna increase the level step by step. The goal of this 24 video program is to improve your power move control and create new combos and opportunities with the power moves you have. Beside this program, I'm also gonna post daily on Patreon from December 1st to December 24th. In my daily Patreon videos, I'm gonna focus on how to be more creative with the power moves you have and with the combos that I'm teaching in these tutorials. So make sure to join my Patreon, link in the description, and let's start! So in this episode we are going to take a combo we have seen in the third episode and we are going to change the legs shape on it. You can apply this concept to all the moves and all the combos you can do. So I'm going to teach this combo by changing the legs shape, but you can try with your own combos as well. When you want to change the leg shapes in a combo, think about which leg shape you want to use. For example, figure 4 leg shape like this, or Australian, or maybe a Thompson like this, or maybe a figure 4 on the other side, baby or munch leg shape, or maybe something like this, or something like this, or just grabbing one foot like this, or maybe the other one like this. Figure out which leg shape you want to use and then try to apply it in a combo. For this combo I choose the figure 4 with the right leg over the left leg. But if you want, you can try the same combo with another leg shape. So how to do it? We're gonna start the same as usual. Starter freeze, side freeze, shoulder. When we reach the shoulder, we already wanna start crossing our legs. And when we reach our back, like this, our legs have to be already in the leg shape we want to use. I want to use this leg shape here, but you can be like this as I said, you can be like this, you can be the other way, like this. So practice only the start at first, the starter freeze to back with your legs in a clear leg shape and spin a little bit in a backspin. When you spin in the backspin, look at your legs and make sure your legs are in a very clear and sharp leg shape. From here, push and figure 4. This first step should be very comfortable and easy. In the previous combo, in the regular one, we used to cross our legs like this and then turning on our knees. But this time, since we want to maintain a figure 4 leg shape, at least for the moment, we cannot really do this move, but we will do something else. We can still turn in this way, lift ourselves up, and we can still slide the left knee like this on the floor, but from here it's gonna look different. We are gonna arrive kind of like in a kick out in this position here. From here we want to go to a windmill again, because in the original combo we did this. After doing this we were going in a windmill again. So we're gonna do the same thing but just with another leg shape. So again, from the back, from here, turn, lean the right foot on the floor, lift yourself up in this way, turn the left leg. Now your left knee is on the floor, you kick, and from here you go on your back again with a figure 4 leg shape again. Let's repeat the whole thing slowly. Starter freeze, figure 4, and like this. So we are on our back again. In the original combo, from our back, we crossed our legs again and we did the hook like this and then reaching the shoulder. This time we are not going to use a hook position because we want to use a figure 4 team. So how to do it? From here we can still turn to the side, but then from here, instead than hooking, then doing this, we already kind of hooked in this way. So we don't need to hook anymore, but we can just go back with the left leg and lean the foot on the floor in this way. You don't want to just do this because it looks uglier, but you really want to turn first. So from here you want to turn to the side in this way, so doing this and then kicking back and then leaning the foot. This will give the combo a cooler effect. Instead, if you just from here drop your foot down like this, it looks heavier and uglier. From here, turn, make a circle, bend and lean. In the original combo, after reaching the hook in this way, we did 1 and 2 to the shoulder. So we're gonna do the same thing. From here, you're gonna release this leg and go and doing 1 and 2 shoulder. Same thing as the original combo. Let's repeat the whole thing slowly again. From the shoulder, in the original combo, we did a 2-step like this. 1, 2, and then another round. 1, 2, and then the threading side. This time I want to make the combo a little bit shorter, so I'm not gonna do a full round of 2-step, but I'm gonna do, if you want you can do it, up to you, but I just want to do 1 and 2 and directly going forward to the ending part of the combo. Even in this 2-step on the floor, I want to maintain the figure 4 concept, or this concept here. So from here, I'm gonna kick and I'm gonna do this. And from here, turn, change the leg and do this again. From here, I'm gonna straighten this leg and then thread it inside. So I do thumb, straighten and thread inside. As you can see, while I'm threading inside, I'm moving my body and my hips in a clockwise circle, in this way. So I'm not just doing this, but I'm doing this. So this leg doesn't really move for the moment, but the whole body moves in a circle, like this. And then from here, kicking back, maybe I can reach a figure 4 again from here, or maybe not, as you prefer. If you want, you can do this, this, and then just going to the shoulder again. If you want to add one more figure 4, you can do thumb, straighten, from here, figure 4, and then reach 1 and 2. So slowly, only this part from the shoulder, kick, 1, 2, thread inside, and shoulder. If you want to add one more figure 4, it should look like this. 1, 2, thread inside, and like this. We're almost done. Let's do the whole thing again slowly from the top. Side, figure 4, turn, boom, 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 thread inside, boom, boom, boom. So, ending part, we are in a shoulder freeze again with our feet down like this. In the original combo we did actually a backspin and then kicking up and ending up in a footwork position like this. This time we are gonna add one more figure 4. For the shoulder freeze, you wanna kick this leg. When you kick it, you immediately cross it and form a figure 4 with your legs. So like this. And from here, you can just release your legs and push yourself up. I'm gonna do it slowly. You just touch with your legs and then release. It's not like a long hold that you stay in the figure 4, but you just touch and release. This was the whole combo. Let's do it again slowly. To get more creative with this combo and with your power moves, join my Patreon, link in the description. As I said in the beginning, we are going to increase the level step by step. If you want to follow this program and try these combos, maybe you can try to post your videos and tag me on my Instagram at Kaio, so I can check your progress about these combos and exercises, and I will share your posts on my Instagram story. Doesn't matter if you do it fast, you can do it slowly. See you tomorrow with a new combo and new exercises. Yo ninjas!